Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. We have come to Ilfracombe on the North Devon coast, and we're at the Ilfracombe Harbour, which is all this area here is Ilfracombe Harbour. It's quite pretty. It's a typical Devon seaside place, really, with the stacked houses on the hills and beautiful rolling green countryside of North Devon. Sue's with me. We just had a little rain shower, haven't we? It's been quite nice until just now. We just had a little rain shower, so she's got a hoodie on.
It is.
We try to decide, this car's just here, we only just parked up, we're just trying to decide whether to take a brolly.
Got to make my mind up what to wear.
Sweater, no sweater. Brolly, no brolly. Well, we're not sure.
I'm joking where you'll walk.
So we're just, yeah, we're just waiting to see what's going to happen with this weather, and then we're going to go for a little walk. There's one or two interesting things here I'll show you whilst we're hanging about.
We'll look at the pregnant lady.
Oh, there's a pregnant lady.
With the innards on show.
Oh, okay. Oh, we'll have a look. See what I think of that. Now, our mission today was to follow up on a trip that we did, how many years would that be? 30 years ago? And we have a photograph, almost 30 years ago. We've got a photograph of our children here, which we'll show you, and myself, and in this exact same position on the shore side here at Ilfracombe. Let's have a look at the picture. Well, there's the picture. Let me focus in on it. It's a little bit shiny in the light here.
Put your hat on now.
Now we're going to walk up the hill and find another position of a different photograph, which we'll come to in a moment. This hill right in front of us here. And we'll climb up this hill here to the top, and then we're going to take a view of the houses from the other side from up the hill, and we'll show you the picture in just a moment. Now we're back at the place almost 40 years ago when Sue and I first came here on holiday, and I took a picture of Sue with this backdrop, and I'll show you the picture. You should be able to match up the buildings, or some of them, with the photograph. Just go left to right a little bit. Like that. That's nearly 40 years ago, isn't it, Sue?
Yeah.
I took your picture here. Incredible. Much the same as it was then, more traffic, and some of the buildings have changed, but still a very pretty place, despite the rain.
It wasn't difficult getting up here, was it? This was just a manage it.
Yeah. Bit blowy, babe.
Yeah, just a bit wet.
We'll get down, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. Shame about the weather, but you can't change good old British weather. Well, there's new buildings and old buildings up there from when we last came, but still got the same feel about it. Very pretty place. Come into a little cafe outside, in between the rain.
She's so much
and
better.
look what Sue's got.
Without...
What you got, babe?
Tea.
A cream tea, and you've put the cream on the top, ain't you?
Yeah.
So have I.
Is that the Cornish way
Is that allowed? I'm not sure.
or the Devon way?
I'm not the only one.
Mine's on top as well.
Auntie Sheila's put hers on top as well.
Toasty.
I'm going to have a look and see what Joe's doing with his cream tea.
I've got cheese and
Well, that's a funny looking cream tea.
onion salad.
Oh, wow. And I'm just sticking with my green tea, folks. And a couple of bonios.